Welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganpat Nagda. Today we will continue lecture Organic Chemistry of class 10th ICSE board and preparation and properties of alkanes. How to prepare alkanes and what are the different properties of alkanes. From sodium ethanoate and trivial name of sodium ethanoate is sodium acetate. Equation involve decarboxylation reaction or removal of carbon dioxide. So this is the reaction. CS3CONaOH plus CaO in presence of 300 degrees centigrade gives Na2CO3 plus CH4 methane. Preparation of methane from iodomethane, reduction by nascent hydrogen at room temperature. So iodomethane CH3I plus twice H gives CH4 plus Hi. Nascent hydrogen used in this reaction is prepared by action of zinc on dilute HCl. Lab preparation of ethane. Similar to methane preparation, sodium propanoate is used instead of sodium acetate. So this is the reaction. Preparation of ethane from bromoethane, reduction by nascent hydrogen at room temperature. C2H5Br plus twice H gives C2H6 plus HBr. Now properties of methane and ethane. Combustion. Saturated compounds like methane and ethane gives clean blue flame with sufficient air. So reaction is CH4 plus twice O2 gives CO2 plus twice H2O plus heat plus light. C2H6 plus 7H2O gives 4CO2 plus 6H2O plus heat plus light. Substitution reaction. Saturated compounds undergo this reaction where an atom or group of atoms replaces another atom. Example, in the presence of sunlight, chlorine replaces hydrogen. So hydrocarbons, CH4 plus Cl2 that gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Then CH3Cl plus Cl2 gives CH2Cl2 plus HCl. Then CHCl3 plus Cl2 gives CCl4 plus HCl. So ultimately tetrachloromethane or carbon tetrachloride plus hydrogen chloride is formed. Alkenes and alkynes. Alkynes preparation of ethene. The first is dehydrohalogenation reaction. So removal of hydrogen and halogen atoms. C2H5Cl plus alcoholic hot concentrate KOH gives C2H4 plus KCl plus H2O. So you can see the ethene will be formed. Dehydration reaction, removal of water. C2H5OH sulfuric acid at 170 degree below, that will give ethene CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Preparation of ethene calcium carbide in water, that is CaC2 plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide plus C2H2. And the third reaction is 1,2-dibromoethane, ethylene dibromide is boiled with alcoholic KOH. And fourth is, you can see the reaction is there. Chemical properties of ethene and ethine. Ethene, first addition reaction of unsaturated compounds. An addition reaction results in the formulation of one compound from two or more compounds. It converts an unsaturated compound into a saturated compound by addition of atoms across the carbon double bond carbon. Addition of hydrogen. So you can see CH triple bond CH plus H2 in the presence of nickel catalyst gives CH2 double bond CH2. And CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2 in presence of nickel catalyst gives CH3. Ethene plus H2, so that will give CH3, that is not CH2, that is a mistake. This reaction is used to make dalda or vanspati from unsaturated liquid vegetable oils. addition of halogen ethene plus CS2 double bond CS2 plus Cl2. So you will get 1,2-dichloroethane. The reaction with iodine is slow and unstable and is readily regenerated with the elimination of iodine. Ethyne. So you can see the reaction is there. Brown color of bromine appears when addition product is formed. Thus decolorization of bromine water is a test for unsaturation. Slow reaction in the presence of alcohol to form diiodo derivatives. Uses of ethene and ethyne. Uses of ethene: first, preparation of polythene. Second, producing oxyethylene flame for welding metals. Third, artificial ripening of fruits. Uses of ethyne: producing oxyacetylene flame for welding metals, preparation of polymers, artificial rubbers, and third, for artificial ripening of fruit. Now the alcohol. An alcohol is any organic compound in which the hydroxyl functional group OH is bound to a saturated carbon atom. The term alcohol originally referred to the primary alcohol, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, the predominant alcohol in the alcoholic beverages. An important class of alcohol, which methanol and ethanol are the simplest members, is the saturated straight chain alcohols, general formula of which is CnH2n plus 1OH. Ethanol preparation: by hydration of ethene, C2H4 plus H2O in the presence of H2SO4. So you can say C2H5 HSO4, ethyl hydrogen sulfate will be formed, and ethyl hydrogen sulfate with react with water, that will give C2H5OH plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid is regenerated. Second, hydrolysis of alkyl halides, C2H5Br plus NaOH, boil, so that will give C2H5OH plus NaBr3. And the third reaction is fermentation of carbohydrates. Fermentation of sucrose by using enzymes like gymase produce ethyl alcohol. So that is the reaction. Invertase and gymase are the enzymes which used in this reaction, and ultimately glucose and fructose will be converted into ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide. Laboratory preparation of ethyl alcohol. Ethanol can be prepared by the hydrolysis of ethyl halide with dilute alkali. So you can see CTH5Br plus dilute KOH, that will give C2H5OH. Now the physical properties. It is a colorless, inflammable and sweet smelling liquid. It is liquid at room temperature, volatile, has a slight odor, has a burning taste. Its boiling point is 78.3. Is miscible with water. It's a good solvent that dissolves most known substances. Ethanol can cause drunkenness on consumption, even in a small quantity of dilute ethanol. Extremely poisonous when consumed in pure form, absolute alcohol. Now the chemical properties. Combustion: burns with pale blue flame and produce carbon dioxide and water. That is the reaction. C2H5OH plus 3O2 gives twice CO2 plus 3H2O. Second is the oxidation reaction. Ethanol undergoes oxidation in the presence of potassium dichromate to form initially ethanol and finally forms further oxidized ethanoic acid CH3CH2OH plus K2Cr2O7, that will give ethanol, that is CH3CHO, and ultimately that converts into CH3COOH. Reaction with sodium, it will give the hydrogen. So the reaction is there. Dehydration, a reaction to form unsaturated hydrocarbon. So whenever in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, water is removed from the ethanol molecule and CH2 double bond CH2 ethene will be formed. Denatured alcohol. To prevent misuse of ethanol, substances like 5% methyl alcohol, pyridine and copper sulfate are added to it. This makes it inedible. It is also called methylated spirit. Uses of ethanol. Ethanol is used in the pharmaceutical preparation like tincture of iodine, cough syrups and tonics. Ethanol is used in the manufacture of organic compounds like acetate, acetic acid, chloroform. Ethanol is used as a preservative for biological specimen and used in thermometers due to low freezing point. used in alcoholic beverages. Carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid. Carboxylic acids are compounds which contain a COOH group. The general formula of carbolic acid is RCOOH, with R referring to the rest of the molecule. Carboxylic acids occur widely and include the amino acids and acetic acid. Salts and esters of carboxylic acids are called carboxylates. When a carboxylic group is deprotonated, its conjugate base forms a carboxylate anion. Carboxylate ions are resonance stabilized, and this increased stability makes carboxylic acid more acidic than alcohols. Carboxylic acids can be seen as reduced or alkylated forms of the Lewis acid, carbon dioxide. Under some circumstances, they can be decarboxylated to yield carbon dioxide. Ethanoic acid, physical properties. Ethanoic acid is a colorless corrosive liquid with a pungent odor. The melting point of pure ethanoic acid is 170 degrees centigrade. Ethanoic acid freezes at 290 Kelvin and is known as glacial acetic acid. Miscible with water, ether and ethyl alcohol. 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid is in water. It's called vinegar. All carboxylic acids are weak acids, undergo partial ionization. Chemical reactions, esterifications. Esters are sweet smelling substances used in perfumes and artificial flavors, formed when carboxylic acids react with alcohol in presence of acid catalyst. So that is the reaction CS3COOH plus CS3CS2COH. That will give CS3COOC2H5, that is ester. Saponifications. Esters react in the presence of an acid or base to give back the alcohol and carboxylic acids. This is called saponification reaction. This is the reverse reaction of esterification reaction. So you can see C2H5OH plus, so that will be reaction. Reaction with base. Carboxylic acid react with the bases to give salt and water. So CS3CONA, that is a salt, sodium acetate and water. Reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. So whenever you react with acetic acid with carbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium acetate and water will be formed. Those are the reactions. Uses 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid is vinegar, which is used as a preservative. Used as a solvent for resins and cellulose, to make perfumes, dyes and esters. In medicines, manufacture of artificial fibers, manufacture of cellulose acetate, which is used as packaging material and to make rayon. Ethanoic acid is used for coagulating latex to prepare rubber from it, and it is used as a reagent in the laboratory. Thanks for watching. This is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.